Getting the CE-34878-0 error on your PS4, here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart your PS4. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches. Step 2. Make sure your game and system software are fully updated. Go to Settings and then System Software and then Update and install the latest version. Step 3. If the error happens with a specific game, then delete and reinstall the game. Step 4. Rebuild your PS4 database. Turn off the console, hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps, then select Rebuild Database. Step 5. Check for corrupted saved data. Go to Settings and then Storage and then Saved Data and delete the file linked to the crashing game. Step 6. If you recently upgraded your hard drive, reseat it properly or switch back to the original drive to test. Step 5 and Step 7. If the error still occurs, back up your data and initialize the PS4. This restores the system to factory settings. And as a last resort, contact PlayStation support if none of these steps solve it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.